Good morning, kindergarten. Hope you are well. We are going to start talking about the city. This is a city, la ciudad, okay? The city we live in is called Bogota, okay? So we're going to listen to some sounds that happen in the city, okay? So remember, this is a city. We live in Bogota. City, ciudad, okay? Let's get started. Okay, kindergarten, as promised, we're going to listen with our ears. So we have to turn our ears on. And we're going to listen to different sounds in the city. Diferentes ruidos en la ciudad, okay? So let's get started. Let's listen to this first sound. Are you listening? Okay. What sound is that? It's a police car, okay? This is a police car, okay? Let's listen to another sound that happens in the city. Did you hear that? It's an ambulance. Ambulance passed around the city. This is an ambulance. Okay, we're going to listen carefully to this one. We're going to listen. We're going to turn our listening ears on. Okay, what sound is this? It's children playing in the park. This is a park. Let's hear this one, okay? Close your eyes. Let's hear it. It's a dog. It's barking. This is a dog. And lastly, we're going to turn our ears really high. Let's see what this is. This is construction, a construction site. They're building. They're buildings in the city, okay? So remember, these are the different sounds we can hear in the city, like our city, Bogota, okay? So listen to the sounds and let me know what each sound is, okay? Have a great day, guys. Hope you enjoyed this new topic. Bye.